everyone, it's me, Puppy, and welcome back to my channel. This is the January Allure Beauty Box, the first box of this new year of 2021. Now, we know back in December they changed the price. It was $15, now it's $22. So, let's see if the new year brought in better items than last month, because last month was kind of disappointing, I do have to say. So, as usual, it's our little pamphlet, which we're not going to read. And let's just get right into it. Okay? Oh, we got a coupon for one of the items. Alright. And foam. It's the first time there was foam and not a sheet mask. Alright, first item is this cute little bottle, and I bet you that was the serum because it looks exactly like it. Yeah, that was the serum that we get 10% off for a full bottle. This is definitely sample size though. But I love this packaging, this like ombre kind of sunset package. And this is by L'Occitane. Ooh, I've heard very good things about L'Occitane. And it is a serum, of course. Little pump. We love the pump. Come on. Oh, okay. It is a clear serum. And it's a light smell. Lightly floral. It's like hyacinth floral. It's a light floral. It's almost actually reminds me of fans. No, soy wax. Reminds me of soy wax. Like a floral soy wax when you burn it just a teensy bit too long. That's what it reminds me of, but it's very cute. So I will be using this because I use serums and moisturizers and everything every day. No, it's probably not good for my skin, but it's what I like. Next item is these itty bitty little beauty blender in this cute diamond shape. I'm not going to take it out, but it is by Base Blue, and it's just a tiny little blender. I would say I would use this for like concealer under the eyes because it's that small, you can get in under there, and for like around the nose area, and that would be kind of about it. But it is, I like the little diamond packaging, and you could always use more sponges because like sponges and brushes, I hate washing them. So I like to get them once in a while so I don't have to wash them. What is this? Mani Me X Allure, handpicked by Allure, made for you. Oh. Well, it's, I'm gonna cover that up. It's a, $30 gift card for nail wraps at Mani Me. And, as you can tell, I don't have nails. So this is completely and utterly worthless to me. So if you have nails and you want this, then just message me. Go to my Instagram, go to my Facebook, whichever you want to go to. My Twitter, I don't have my Twitter posted, so just either message me on Instagram or Facebook, and whoever messages me first, you can have this, because it's just gonna sit in my drawer forever. So both my Insta and my Facebook are down in the description on my About Me page. So, come get it. Okay, next. The Beauty Crop. Ooh, a blush duo. Blush duo post-it cream. I totally butchered that, but it's pomegranate and papaya. So, cute little packaging with pomegranates and papayas on it. My handy dandy screwdriver. There we go. Just plain black and white packaging. We don't hate that. Ow. Oh, no, those are not my colors. Those are too dark for me. I'm not even going to swatch it, but it does come with a cute little mirror. But yeah, definitely not my colors, and I don't know about you, but I really don't like cream things. So, okay, it looks like there's a cream side, which is this side, and then a powder side, but again, not my coloring. Definitely not. I would look ridiculous. Like I tried to go for an 80s look or something. So, this is gonna go to someone. Quite honestly, probably my niece. So I hope she likes blushes and is a bit darker complexion than I am. It's been a while since I've seen her, so. Alright, next. True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick. Yay! The lipstick I have on right now is Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood, and it is the most ridiculously stupid formula. Sorry, Jeffree, but it's so sticky. Like, I don't know if I got a bad one or what. I have had this for a while, but it's terrible. It's just terrible. Okay. Very cute packaging. Just a creamy white tube. True and Luscious, and the color is Vintage Rose. Ooh. Please be a dusty rose. Please be a dusty rose. It's brown. It's a brown nude. It's like a rosy brown nude, but it's definitely not my color. I would definitely never wear. Look at that. That's cute though. If you can see that little decal. But I will never wear this color, so this is going to my niece as well. Hopefully her or my sister will like this, or she knows someone who will. But darn it, I love tube lipsticks. I love tube lipsticks. I am so over matte liquid lipsticks, it's not even funny. I just want tube lipsticks and gloss now. So that sucks. But okay, we got one last item, and it is a big boy. This is definitely full size. And it is the Saturday Skin. Ooh, I've also heard good things about Saturday Skin. I think everyone in my group is raving about this. Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Oh, is it a mask? Let me see. Cleanse and then pat dry your face. Gently apply to the face and rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water. Oh, no, it's not. But still, it's exfoliating, and it's got great rave reviews. So, very cute. If it'll focus, or do anything, my light might be a little too bright, but it's very cute, pale pink. And let's see what this looks like. Oh. I need this again. There we go. You know, I probably should have just screwed off this top because it was probably just a peel off, but whatever. We improvise. If it works, it works. Okay. It is just a semi-clear, semi-translucent white. I feel like a lot of people are like ditching colorants and everything in their makeup now. So everything's like white or like that weird pea yellow color. But I mean, that's good too. Ooh. Ooh, I feel the tiny micro. You can see them too. Do you see that? It bunched up. With tiny micro. Oh, it's so soft. It's like little fibers. And it smells nice and clean. You know, I smell these things like when I'm doing these videos, And I'm like, oh yeah, it smells clean. It doesn't smell like anything. It's nice. And then I put it on and I'm like, that's a completely different smell than what was on my hand. Like you get it like right under your nose and it's like, oh, how did I not smell that on my hand? But yeah, oh, that dries very quickly. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I would definitely be using this, not tonight, but probably tomorrow. And like right before, like, because I think I'm going to. No, I'm not going to stream tomorrow because I'm going to be having a video up. But that's neither here nor there. Maybe I'll stream tonight. I don't know. Whatever. Again, neither here nor there. But that was this month, January's Allure box. I like it. I can't use these 2 items, so someone's gonna be happy. My niece. I do like this peel mask. Very cute, very fun, very soft. That's like the word for it is soft. Of course, always need one of these serums. Love that we got a toner. That's from the Ipsy bag. Oh boy. I have everything all over my desk. Okay. We got this cute little blender. And I think, oh yeah, these. Yeah. I would have thrown, but whatever. They're not even worth being thrown. Anyways, if you like this, please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you don't, that's fine. You don't have to do anything I say. But I would surely appreciate it. And as always, this is Puppy. Bye.